Hello and welcome to the third development vlog for Grub Truck. Over the past month I've been focusing on a variety of key aspects for the game, and I started this month by working on adding some new appliances and modifying the layout and configs for the existing one. Since the last video I have added a starter fryer called the Pre-Loved Fryer, as well as a new starter fridge called the Faulty Fridge. The previous appliances have also been renamed to the Old Rusty Oven, the Frostbite 2000, the Boiling Point Series 12, and the Super Fryer, all of which have their own short description or story, as well as benefits or drawbacks such as cook speed multipliers. Whilst we're on the appliances, I have overhauled the particle effects. Previously only the deep fryers had particles and they look like this, but now all cooking appliances have particles and they look like this. Furthermore, the UI for the appliances have also been overhauled. Previously it looked like this, and this is how it looks now. The second key feature I implemented this month was a finance screen that allows you to see all of the basic statistics for the day regarding your money and sales, to allow you to understand your day-to-day business flow to help you make your Grub Truck more efficient. At the bottom of this tab I've also added a loan section. Once you take out a loan it will add interest and will deduct a payment at the end of the day, but you can pay it off in full at any time. I've also adjusted the pop-up text to show money related pop-ups near the money icon, XP to appear near the level up UI, and any other messages to have a background to make them easier to read. Before moving on to the final major change I've made this month, some of the smaller changes I've made include the ability to delete saves, a "You Are Here" pointer on the map screen, each location being restricted to the player's level, and AI now using zebra crossings instead of walking across the road. Now on to the final major addition made this month, passive AI. Within each location there will now be passive AI that roam around, heading to their own destinations. For example, some AI may come and look at some decorations such as trees, others may look at your Grub Truck's menu, or others may just be off to work and just walking by. Each location has its own designed parameters for the passive AI as well. So for example, in the Aspen office district, there are large quantities of passive AI and they will tend to be just walking through and may have a few different waypoints. Whereas in Sycamore Woods, there are very few passive AI, which will usually only come to look at your menu as their only task. I've got plenty of ideas planned for the coming month. For example, one of you guys suggested in the comments that instead of writing the state of the item to have the image change from a raw item to a cooked one, which is something that I'll be working on in the coming days. I'm also going to be composing some background music and implementing a new revamped level up system. I'm also considering adding a timer that will cause the food to burn if it's left on the appliance for too long. What do you think of this idea? Do you think that it would improve gameplay or just hinder on the chill aspect of Grub Truck? Let me know what your thoughts are and your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.